Ready.
Good morning, Santa.
I said the Irish fucking sleep a lot.
Oh yeah.
I've still got that pictures.
Taking pictures of this.
No, I'm doing something completely different.
It's hard to get awake to see these people here, you know.
I mean, last time it was heavy as well.
So you got a good sleep?
Not really.
It's fucking...
What? Done? You got slept for hours today.
You are in a coma.
What time do you think it is?
We had to reanimate you.
Wait exactly what time is it?
4:20.
You were ringing in between.
No, it's not. It's quarter to 11, I think. That's alright.
On Wednesday.
Fuck, you're still here? What?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's next fucking Thursday. What are you talking
Wednesday, you've outstage your welcome.
about? Yeah,